Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Tesla Model 3. The easiest way to unlock your Model 3 is by using your phone as a key. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that the Tesla app is running in the background. As you approach your car, it should automatically detect your phone and unlock the doors, making entry incredibly convenient and hands-free. This method is designed for everyday ease. If your phone isn't available, you can use the key card. Simply tap the key card against the B-pillar, located between the front and rear doors, to unlock your vehicle. For those who prefer a traditional feel, the key fob provides remote locking and unlocking, along with front and trunk access. It's always a good idea to keep a key card in your wallet as a reliable backup. In rare situations, you might need manual access. Inside each front door, there's a mechanical release lever you can pull to open the door. If your car has no power, you can access the 12-volt battery behind the front bumper to jump-start the system. The front also has an emergency release cable, usually found behind the front tow eye cover, for manual opening. If you're having trouble, first check the Tesla app for any connectivity issues or updates. Sometimes, a simple app restart can resolve the problem. If your key fob isn't responding, it might be time to replace its battery. Remember, a fresh battery can make all the difference. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.